Welcome to Maths Ma'am. Today in this video we are continuing our exercise 4.3 from NCERT. Question number 2, 3, 4 will do from the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so that you get notified for the next video. So in this question what is given to us, हमें एक point दिया हुआ है 2 and 14 which is on xy axis. X value है 2 and y value is 14. So this is a point in xy axis and we have to write two lines equation number 1 and equation number 2 which will show जो कि show करेंगे कि ये point इन lines के ऊपर है, right? So we know that the normal value, the normal expression for two variable equation we write like this: ax plus by is equal to 0, right? Suppose we have to make a combination of 2 and 14. So can we write this as x plus y is equal to 16, as if x is here 2 हो जाएगा, here y would be 14 and we get the sum as 16. This is true for the value of x 2 and 14, y 14, right? This can be the equation of one line. Understood? So हमें क्या put करना है? हमें put करना है x2 and y 14. So any other combination which is possible for the equation, we can also write that y is equal to, what is y? Y is 14. 14 is equal to 7 times 2. 7 times 2 means 14, right? Or we can say 7 times x, which is 2. So we can also write y is equal to 7x. Or we can say 7x minus y is equal to 0. This is another form. This is another equation for the second line, right? Like this we can form any number of combination for 16. Okay, so you understood how we have to do, how we have to write two lines. These are the two lines of equation. Next part says how many more such line can pass there. So इस point से कितनी और line pass हो सकती है? एक point से तो infinite line pass हो सकती है. There is no definite number. So we can write infinite lines can pass through any point, and these two are the examples of two lines: x plus y is equal to 16 and 7x minus y is equal to 0. Like this we can form another equation also, another equation, the line of another equation of another line, right? So this was the second question. I hope you understand this. Okay, in this question we are given a point 3, 4 on the line 3y is equal to ax plus 7, and we have to find the value of the coefficient of x, that is a. Here is a line whose name is 3y is equal to ax plus 7, and in this line we have a point 3, 4. इस लाइन पे एक पॉइंट है 3, 4, right? That means 3, 4 is a solution of this equation. 3y is equal to ax plus 4. So here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So how we find the value of a? By putting the value of x and y in the equation. So first of all we write 3 times 4 is equal to a times 3, a times 2, a times 3 which is x plus 7. So 12 is equal to 3a plus 7, and then 12 minus 7 is 5 is equal to 3a. So a value we get as 5 by 3. Like this we can find the value of any coefficient if we are given a point on the line. Let's see this question. Okay, now in this question it says the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer it is 8 rupees, and for the after that rupees 5 per kilometer, स्टार्टिंग में 1 किलोमीटर के लिए चार्जेस हैं 8 रुपीज़. आफ्टर दैट, after 1 kilometer the charge is reduced to rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay, and the total distance covered by the taxi is how much? X kilometer. This is the total distance covered, X, and the total fare, total charges कितने लगे हैं? Y. Now we have to write this fare in terms of the distance, right? So we can say Y is equal to what? First of all, out of X kilometer, for 1 kilometer it is 8 rupees, 8 times 1 for 1 kilometer, right? After that, how much distance is left after 1? This distance is how much? X minus 1, because we have covered one distance, 1 kilometer we have covered in this, from this to this. From 0 to 1 it is covered as 1. After that we have how much distance left? X minus 1. X minus 1 के लिए कितना है charges? Times 5. First of all it was 8. Now for this rest of the distance it is, the charges are 5 rupees. Okay. So which is equal to the total fare. So this is the equation form. You understood? First of all we have written for the 1 kilometer 8 rupees, and for the rest distance it is 5 rupees. 5 rupees in multiply the rest distance, X minus 1, because the total distance covered is X. So we subtracted 1 from it first of all, which is 8 rupees charges. Then we multiply the rest distance with 5, because it says after 1 kilometer the fare is 5 rupees. So X minus 1 times 5. Now we'll open it. We'll write like this, 5x minus 5. Or we can further write 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 5x. Okay, and further we can write 5x, this y will come to this side, minus y will become plus 3 is equal to 0. And this is a linear equation according to the information given to us, like this. Okay, that's all from this video. We'll continue this exercise in the next video.